2 by 7 times 7 by 10 equals? 1 by 5. Multiply across. 2 times 7 by 7 times 10 equals 14 by 70. Simplify by dividing both by 14 to get 1 by 5. The 7's cancel, leaving 2 by 10 equals 1 by 5. Cancellations make fraction multiplication a breeze. 1 by 3 times 3 by 5 equals? 1 by 5. Multiply across. 1 times 3 by 3 times 5 equals 3 by 15. Simplify by dividing both by 3 to get 1 by 5. Notice the 3's cancel, you could simplify before multiplying to make it even easier. 6 by 7 times 7 by 12 equals? 1 by 2. Multiply across. 6 times 7 by 7 times 12 equals 42 by 84. Simplify by dividing both by 42 to get 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 6 and 12 simplify, leaving just 1 by 2. Canceling first is always the smartest move. 5 by 8 times 4 by 5 equals? 1 by 2. Multiply across. 5 times 4 by 8 times 5 equals 20 by 40. Simplify by dividing both by 20 to get 1 by 2. The 5's cancel completely, always spot those cancellations for faster work. 2 by 9 times 3 by 4 equals? 1 by 6. Multiply across. 2 times 3 by 9 times 4 equals 6 by 36. Simplify by dividing both by 6 to get 1 by 6. Cancel first, 2 and 4 share factor 2, and 3 and 9 share factor 3. Much simpler. 2 by 3 times 1 by 4 equals? 1 by 6. Multiply across. 2 times 1 by 3 times 4 equals 2 by 12. Simplify by dividing both by 2 to get 1 by 6. You could also cancel the 2 and 4 before multiplying. 1 by 3 times 1 by 2 equals 1 by 6. Same answer. 5 by 8 times 2 by 5 equals? 1 by 4. Multiply across. 5 times 2 by 8 times 5 equals 10 by 40. Simplify by dividing both by 10 to get 1 by 4. The 5's cancel, leaving 2 by 8 equals 1 by 4. Always look for those shortcut cancellations. 1 by 2 times 1 by 3 equals? 1 by 6. To multiply fractions, simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. 1 by 2 times 1 by 3 equals 1 times 1 by 2 times 3 equals 1 by 6. No LCD needed, multiplication is the easiest operation. 3 by 7 times 7 by 9 equals? 1 by 3. Multiply across. 3 times 7 by 7 times 9 equals 21 by 63. Simplify by dividing both by 21 to get 1 by 3. The 7's cancel and 3 and 9 simplify, always cancel first to keep numbers small. 5 by 6 times 3 by 10 equals? 1 by 4. Multiply across. 5 times 3 by 6 times 10 equals 15 by 60. Simplify by dividing both by 15 to get 1 by 4. Cancel first for easier math. 5 and 10 share factor 5, and 3 and 6 share factor 3. 1 by 4 times 2 by 3 equals? 1 by 6. Multiply across. 1 times 2 by 4 times 3 equals 2 by 12. Simplify by dividing both by 2 to get 1 by 6. Always look at your answer before finishing. 2 by 12 looks big but simplifies beautifully. 3 by 8 times 4 by 9 equals? 1 by 6. Multiply across. 3 times 4 by 8 times 9 equals 12 by 72. Simplify by dividing both by 12 to get 1 by 6. Cancel first. 3 and 9 share factor 3, and 4 and 8 share factor 4. Makes the math so much simpler. 3 by 4 times 2 by 5 equals? 3 by 10. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 3 times 2 by 4 times 5 equals 6 by 20. Now simplify by dividing both by 2 to get 3 by 10. Always check if your answer can be simplified. 8 by 9 times 3 by 4 equals 2 by 3. Multiply across. 8 times 3 by 9 times 4 equals 24 by 36. Simplify by dividing both by 12 to get 2 by 3. Cancel first 8 and 4 share factor 4, and 3 and 9 share factor 3. The result 2 by 3 is already in simplest form. 3 by 4 times 8 by 9 equals 2 by 3. Multiply across. 3 times 8 by 4 times 9 equals 24 by 36. Simplify by dividing both by 12 to get 2 by 3. Cancel first 3 and 9 share factor 3, and 4 and 8 share factor 4. Much easier. 4 by 7 times 7 by 8 equals 1 by 2. Multiply across. 4 times 7 by 7 times 8 equals 28 by 56. Simplify by dividing both by 28 to get 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 4 and 8 simplify, you are left with just 1 by 2. Clean and simple. 4 by 11 times 11 by 8 equals 1 by 2. Multiply across. 4 times 11 by 11 times 8 equals 44 by 88. Simplify by dividing both by 44 to get 1 by 2. The 11's cancel and 4 and 8 simplify, leaving just 1 by 2. Beautiful. 5 by 12 times 4 by 5 equals 1 by 3. Multiply across. 5 times 4 by 12 times 5 equals 20 by 60. Simplify by dividing both by 20 to get 1 by 3. The 5's cancel, leaving 4 by 12 equals 1 by 3. Beautiful cancellation. 1 by 6 times 2 by 3 equals 1 by 9. Multiply across. 1 times 2 by 6 times 3 equals 2 by 18. Simplify by dividing both by 2 to get 1 by 9. Multiplying fractions always gives a smaller result. The more you multiply, the smaller the piece. 7 by 8 times 2 by 7 equals 1 by 4. Multiply across. 7 times 2 by 8 times 7 equals 14 by 56. Simplify by dividing both by 14 to get 1 by 4. The 7's cancel, leaving just 2 by 8 equals 1 by 4. Canceling first keeps numbers small and easy. 5 by 9 times 3 by 5 equals 1 by 3. Multiply across. 5 times 3 by 9 times 5 equals 15 by 45. Simplify by dividing both by 15 to get 1 by 3. The 5's cancel each other out, leaving 3 by 9 equals 1 by 3. Always cancel common factors first. 1 by 5 times 5 by 6 equals 1 by 6. Multiply across. 1 times 5 by 5 times 6 equals 5 by 30. Simplify by dividing both by 5 to get 1 by 6. The 5's cancel completely, leaving just 1 by 6. So clean and simple. 2 by 3 times 3 by 4 equals 1 by 2. Multiply straight across. 2 times 3 by 3 times 4 equals 6 by 12. Now simplify by dividing both by 6 to get 1 by 2. Notice how we can also cancel before multiplying. 2 and 4 share a factor of 2, and 3 cancel completely. 3 by 5 times 5 by 9 equals 1 by 3. Multiply across. 3 times 5 by 5 times 9 equals 15 by 45. Simplify by dividing both by 15 to get 1 by 3. The 5's cancel and 3 divides into 9 3 times. Spot those patterns and simplify early. 4 by 9 times 3 by 8 equals 1 by 6. Multiply across. 4 times 3 by 9 times 8 equals 12 by 72. Simplify by dividing both by 12 to get 1 by 6. Cancel first. 4 and 8 share factor 4, and 3 and 9 share factor 3. Leaves just 1 by 6. 2 by 5 times 5 by 6 equals? 1 by 3. Multiply across. 2 times 5 by 5 times 6 equals 10 by 30. Simplify by dividing both by 10 to get 1 by 3. The 5's cancel each other out, always look for cancellations before you multiply. 9 by 10 times 5 by 6 equals? 3 by 4. Multiply across. 9 times 5 by 10 times 6 equals 45 by 60. Simplify by dividing both by 15 to get 3 by 4. Cancel first, 9 and 6 share factor 3, and 5 and 10 share factor 5. A perfectly simplified answer. 7 by 10 times 5 by 7 equals? 1 by 2. Multiply across. 7 times 5 by 10 times 7 equals 35 by 70. Simplify by dividing both by 35 to get 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 5 and 10 simplify, leaving just 1 by 2. Spot those cancellations. 3 by 10 times 5 by 9 equals? 1 by 6. Multiply across. 3 times 5 by 10 times 9 equals 15 by 90. Simplify by dividing both by 15 to get 1 by 6. Cancel first, 3 and 9 share factor 3, and 5 and 10 share factor 5. Makes it so much easier. 4 by 5 times 1 by 2 equals? 2 by 5. Multiply across. 4 times 1 by 5 times 2 equals 4 by 10. Simplify by dividing both by 2 to get 2 by 5. Remember, when multiplying fractions, you never need a common denominator.